Hello friends! Welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make milk chocolate ganache for macarons. This is basic recipe and I'm using this all the time. The texture of this ganache is silky, very smooth and shiny. This ganache made with just a few ingredients requires just basic skills and takes just a few minutes to make. Look how stable it is. It's just perfect for macarons. So are you ready? Let's get started. To make milk chocolate ganache for macarons, I'm going to be using Calibo milk chocolate, but you can use your favorite brand. I'm measuring chocolate and placing in a plastic cup. We're also going to need heavy cream, glucose syrup, unsalted butter, and pinch of salt. Salt and butter we can set aside, we're going to be using later. Milk chocolate in a plastic cup, semi-melt in a microwave using 20 seconds intervals, shaking after each interval. You can also use double boiler method to melt chocolate if you want to double this recipe. While chocolate melting in a microwave, add glucose syrup to saucepan with heavy cream. Over medium heat, bring heavy cream and glucose syrup to simmer, but do not boil. Don't forget to stir with a spatula a few times. I repeat one more time, do not boil heavy cream. As soon as it starts simmering, remove from the heat. By this time, milk chocolate should be melted in a microwave. Now, pour the hot mixture over melted chocolate in 3 parts. Use spatula to mix chocolate. You have to do it fast and kind of pressing down. Add second part of the heavy cream and mix again. When mixing with a spatula, make sure there is no pieces of chocolate left on the side of the cup or on the bottom. Now add third part of the heavy cream and mix again. Check sides and the bottom of the cup one more time with the spatula. Ganache already looks shiny and smooth. Next step, emulsify with a hand blender. You can stir with a blender and emulsify just for a few seconds. Unsalted butter cut into small pieces. And add to ganache. Add pinch of salt and emulsify again. As soon as you see no pieces of butter left, emulsify for a few more seconds and turn off the blender. Using spatula, check one more time sides and bottom of the cup. Make sure everything is combined. The next step, transfer milk chocolate ganache to a flat container. I'm using just a regular salad bowl. Cover ganache with a plastic wrap to contact. Let ganache set for 3 to 4 hours at room temperature. You can also refrigerate this ganache, but usually it's set really fast. This is what I have after being on a countertop for 3 hours. You can press with your fingers on top of the ganache for texture. Remove plastic wrap. Just using spatula, kind of mix the ganache. You can see better the texture of this ganache. Look how smooth and shiny it is. It's perfect piping consistency. When you're ready to fill macarons, place ganache into piping bag. I'm using round piping tip, and I'm placing just half of the ganache. And start filling macarons. At this part of the video, I'm using regular speed of piping. I just want to show you the consistency of this ganache. Look how smooth it is. It's not running anywhere. It's staying on a shell. It's just perfect. I want to show you one more time closer the texture of this ganache. When you sandwiching macaron shells, ganache is very stable. Just perfect. I hope you like this video and this recipe I'm gonna be using to fill your macarons. Thank you for watching and happy baking!